I want to start potting, so I'm going to get this cocoa coir, make my own potting mix. It expands 8 times. Let's see. Okay, so it's 554 grams. It says to add at least 1.2 gallons. That was only 1 gallon, maybe a teeny bit more. Let's see. We will watch it expand. I need to go to the store. This is officially expanded, and there's no liquid at the bottom, so it absorbed it all. And that is 3.7 kilograms, so it definitely, like, almost 10 times itself. So 8 times would have been 4,432 grams, but it only went to 3,700 grams, so it was actually missing a few grams. So it was about 7 times. Now that it's hydrated, I'm making my own potting mix by putting in 7 parts of the cocoa coir that's rehydrated. So that's 4, 5, 6, and 7. You don't need to pack it down either. And then 1 of these with perlite. I got this idea from Stony Acres Gardening. He is a master gardener. Thank you, Rick, for the time-saving and money-saving idea. Wonderful. And I bought a brick of cocoa coir, 4 of them, for around $13 to $15 on Amazon. Because I'm definitely not going to find any stores that have them right now in the middle of January. Okay, now I can start planting my seeds for January. Who's excited? Boom. I ended up planting 4 items, which is onions, chives, parsley, and lettuce. I asked AI to create an image, and these 4 images were hilarious. I had to share them. Which one's your favorite? Which one made you laugh? That one was funny. It looked like a lime with parsley hair. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you on the next one.